I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a WordPress site locally using an easy method. This is perfect for development and testing without affecting a live site. First, you'll need to install a local server environment like XAMPP or MAMP on your computer. Then, download the latest WordPress package and create a new, empty database for it. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a smooth installation process. Now that your local server is ready and you have the WordPress files, let's prepare them. Extract the entire WordPress folder into your local server's web directory, often named htdocs or www. Inside this folder, find the file named wp-config sample, php. Rename it to wp-config, php. This is a crucial step as this file will hold your database connection details. Open wp-config, php with any text editor. With wp-config, php open, you'll need to input your database credentials. Find the lines for DB name, DB user, and DB password, and fill them in with the details of the database you created earlier. For a local setup, the DB host should typically be localhost. Double-check that your database character set is UTF-8 and collation is UTF-8 general SCI. Save the file after making these important changes. You're almost there. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for your local WordPress site, usually something like localhost/WordPress. This will launch the WordPress installation wizard. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, often called the 5-minute installation. You'll be asked to provide a site title, create an admin username and a strong password, and enter your email address. Click Install WordPress to complete the setup and start building your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.